Hello my peachy people, I hope you're all well. I am very excited about what we are doing today. It is kind of different and we haven't really done any kind of techie things on here before, but today I'm going to be unboxing this bad boy with you guys. First impressions, learning a little bit about it, and yeah, just experience it. My cat is at the door again. So I'm sure you guys know about the Aura ring, but I don't actually think you guys have heard about the Ultrahuman Ring Air. Have you? You see, I was actually sent an email quite a while ago and basically the company asked me if I'd be open to reviewing it, and I will be super honest with you guys, I thought that it was a bit of a scam because I get a bunch of junk mail all the time. I hadn't heard of the brand yet, and then something just like clicked in my head and I was like, go and check them out on social media. And it turns out that it is a really reputable company, that a ton of people have tried the rings before and have loved them. So they sent me this bad boy and we are going to be doing some cool things in the next couple of months or so together to see what she's all about. Guys, I have been itching to unbox this like you have no idea, and I'm trying to make do. My neighbors are having a party downstairs, the traffic is nuts, but let us get into it. Before we get going ahead, I just want to make something very clear. There is no amount of money that has been paid for me to say certain things about this, so you'll know that whatever you're hearing out of my mouth is peach approved or not. Long story short, if you guys don't know what a Ultrahuman Air ring is, it is a smart ring. So if you think about a smartwatch that goes on your finger and looks like a normal ring, you can get it in a bunch of different colors. I got mine in gold. Please don't, what are you doing? What are you doing? She's trying to climb up the damn curtains. I got mine in gold, and the really cool thing about this is that they send you a sizing kit before you actually get your order. So it's like plastic rings and then they have a size on them. I am actually a size 10, which I'm a little bit stressed about because I think it might be on the smaller side versus the big side. The 11 was just a bit too big, and you can wear it, well, they suggest that you wear it on your index finger, but I'm probably going to try and put it on my, what do you call this? Besides the rude one, middle finger? Yeah, I guess it's called middle finger. Cute, satisfying ASMR. Ooh, not so satisfying. Ooh, okay. Oh my gosh, look at it! You know what, if I had to say, it's giving apple. And I think throughout this video, you're obviously going to learn way more about it. We might even be able to have a Q&A. I haven't tried it, so I want to get it on before I leave for this weekend's trip and, you know, start using it, and then I can give you guys like a whole bunch of info at the end. Okay, I'm not the best at doing this, but oh my goodness, look at my gorgeous piece of smart jewelry. This is basically a smart ring that is gonna track your sleep, your HRV, movement, and temperature tracking, which also comes in really handy when you are a person that menstruates. You are also going to be able to track your entire cycle, and I've been doing that recently. That's probably the thing that I am most excited by, next to my sleep, because I really want to work on that. Just in general, if you guys are new here and you don't follow me on social media, you can do so, but I have taken it upon myself to try and look after my body more and go through things instead of around them. So step by step we are learning and we are growing, but you know, it's things like this that help me understand my body more. So let us take it out and I'll give you guys a ooh. Okay, so this is the ring. You can see inside here, that is where all the technology is happening. I think you could get it in like black, silver, gold, and then there was a different kind of silver, like a matte and a, I don't know. Let's see what else is in the box. I'm so scared to put it down, but I'll just put it there for now. And then over here we have more informazione. We've got a little card. Let's read this. So it says, hey there, you've got your hands on more than a ring. It's a compact powerhouse, a loyal companion, and a silent cheerleader. Crafted with titanium and armored in tungsten carbide, it is a masterpiece of style and strength. But hey, even the coolest tech isn't invincible. This ring might pick up a few battle scars along the way, especially when you're crushing it with those dumbbells, but aren't scars the coolest? That's so cute. Just like a luxury watch develops a patina over time, your ring will wear its scratches like badges of honor, each one telling a unique tale of your journey. So wear your ring, embrace its journey, and remember each scratch is a story. Let's do that. That's really cool. I have been looking at this on TikTok, and I saw that on Amazon and probably Takealot if you're from South Africa. You can actually get like a cover for your ring, which is like just like a jelly kind of silicone cover if you're really worried about scratching. And then this is the little manual that says hello cyborg. That's very cute. I'm into this. Guys, this packaging is giving. I'm wondering if I have to charge this before I do anything, but let's just get into it quickly. I'm not the kind of person that looks at instructions, but maybe I should. Next up, what's in the box is we have our charging system. So this is the charger, and then this is, I'm guessing, the wires. Okay, so we have our heavy duty charging cord. Ooh. Okay, so that is our USB-C cord, and it's a real heavy duty girly pop. And then this is our charger. Sorry, this is probably one of the most unorganized little unboxings you've seen. But anyway, and then finally this is the charger. So the charger is specifically for the size of your ring. And I'm guessing that if you wanted to charge it, you would just plonk it on like this. Ta-da! Very cool, very compact. I did it for my right hand, and I'm so nervous right now. I'm just really stressed that it's gonna start swelling. And yeah, anyway, let us go. Okay, wow. Stunning! Guys, is this not just so cute? It literally just looks like a normal piece of jewelry. Like, you would not be able to tell that this is a smart ring. And I would love to, like, you know, wear a lot more jewelry just in general. So I think that this is gonna kind of like convince me to do that. But I think, let us try it on my index finger and see how that feels. So it's a bit small for my index finger. I think it's probably meant to go down to the knuckle, but I think I could still wear it there. And then I actually realized that my left hand is so much smaller than my right hand. I don't know if that's like a me thing or a human thing, but yeah, that one slides off super easily. And then if I were to put it on this index finger, you can see it goes down much further. So could be a lefty girl. I don't know. What's nice is that like you can literally wear it on any finger you want to. It's just more accurate with these two. I think I want to read this getting started quickly. So first is to download the Ultrahuman app from the Play Store or the App Store, and then we're going to plug it into the charging dock into a power source that with the help of the USB-C to C charging cable provided. Okay, so let's do that. All right, and there she is. So you can get this on an Apple or an Android. Let's just get it. Okay, so let us plug this bad boy in. What's nice is it's USB-C, it's USB-C. So I'm just using my, iPhone right now. And then we're gonna take our little ring and we're going to plonk it on. It has like one little ribbed side. And there we go. And now she is charging. I have popped her on the charger, and basically it is just going to flash a white light in while it's charging. And then once it's ready, there will be a purple light. And it says that I should give it about 30 minutes of charging before I actually connect it on the app. So I'll be back.